Press the button to power on. Tap screen for home. 4. Male or female. Age group. Weight range. The system includes a total of 7 probes, with 5 as standard and 2 as optional. Tap to select probes and adjust energy. Cryo-a, cryo. First, select a handle, then, tap to confirm your choice. The handle light will turn white. After tapping starts, the handle light will turn blue. From top to bottom, cooling intensity adjustment, RF heating intensity adjustment, negative pressure intensity adjustment. Adjacent is the cooling or heating time adjustment. The diagram below shows the recommended handling placement areas. Standby. Operation paused. Ready, start now. Measure the client's waist before the procedure. Photo archiving. Energy parameter adjustment. Cooling, level 3. Heating, level 3. Suction, level 2. Cooling time, 20 minutes, auto switch to heating. Heating timer, 10 minutes, auto off. Let's begin. Apply cryo gel patch first, prevents frostbite. If the patch is too large, you can use scissors to cut it to the appropriate size. Coverage rule. Apply film evenly to entire treatment area. Ensure a tight fit with no air bubbles. When selecting the area, attention is needed. When operating the abdomen, avoid the navel area. The handle needs to be operated entirely on the frozen label. Ensure that negative pressure adsorption is in place during operation. After the operation is completed, wipe the customer's operating area. Take out a tape measure to measure the customer's waist circumference. Clean the handle after the operation is completed. The handle needs to be wiped clean.